Ever wanted to bring your old photos to life, like this? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn those still images into stunning, moving videos. And the best part? I'm sharing not one, but two powerful methods to make it happen. And trust me, the second method is way easier. It almost feels like cheating. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. I won't waste your time. Let's dive in. Before we begin, you're going to need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, don't worry. I've left the link right down in the description. All right, let's get this party started. Method 1, image to video. Once you open Edimakor, head over to the media section and choose image to video under AI video. This is where the magic happens. You'll see two options, image to video and reference to video. For now, we're sticking with image to video. I'm going to use the default Edimakor 2.0 model. It's a solid choice. But if you're just getting started, feel free to test out Edimakor 1.0 or even Google VO3 and see what works best for you. Now upload your photo, set your aspect ratio, I'm going with landscape, and hit OK. Next, type in your prompt. Something like, transform this vintage black and white photograph into a dynamic video. Choose your duration, pick your resolution, and if you want some sound in this video, turn on auto sound. Then, click Generate. Just like that, you've brought an old photo back to life. How amazing is that? Method 2, AI effects. Go to the AI effects section. You'll see a ton of AI effects ready to use. For this example, I'm picking Old Photo Revival. Click Create, and you'll be taken inside the AI effect tool. From there, simply upload your photo, set the duration and resolution, and click Generate. Your video is ready in no time. Seriously, it's that easy. And you're not limited to just one AI effect. There's a whole library here. I tested a few myself, and the results? Absolutely mind-blowing. The motion is smooth. The details are crisp. It literally looks like it was shot on video. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.